Hey, this is Deep, and this is our project Talkio. So what we're doing is we have created this product. So this is a post called AI analysis platform for sales representatives to get clients and land clients in a better way. So this is the whole UI page. There is a small demo here. There is a larger demo here going through the whole pipeline. There's a bunch of features here that we have, more features here, and more features. Then you can go to the dashboard. But before going to the dashboard, I'll show you the chatbot that we have on the front page. So this is Max. So you can use this chatbot to know more about product before before like purchasing it or like acquiring it. So you can ask questions about our product to better understand if it'll fit your use cases or not. Okay, so let's go to the dashboard now. In my case, I'm already logged in. So now the dashboard shows the total calls, completed calls, high risk, and processing. Total calls are like the number of calls completed are like the clients that we landed. High risk is the calls that AI has flagged as high risk based on the transcription, where it thinks that there's a less likely chance to us land that client. Processing is like we're still going on talking to the clients, like trying to land them, right? Quick action has like a bunch of options to go to like clients, properties, playbooks, and training, but we'll go to them from here. So going to clients, we have a folder for each client. So there's a folder for each one, and there's 6 clients in total, active deals, won and lost. It's basically if you want a deal or not, if it's an active deal going on. So every folder has the whole list of calls that we made from our end to that client. So for example, in our case, we made 10 calls to Nicholas Topchi. So there's this AI agent here. In our case, we were using Gemini. So this AI agent takes in data of all those 10 calls and understands our client better, and it gives details and trends and all the stuff about the client to the sales rep to better understand the client and make take further steps. So there's also individual AI agent in every call that we can use. So in our case, there's no transcript for this one, so there's no data. Apart from that, there's sales training. This is meant for salespeople to just go through like behavioral client environment to understand what's happening. So we're using 11 labs for AI agents. Everybody has their own set of like reasoning and own set of objectives. Like you can see the names and stuff, and they're like beginner, like easy mode to hard mode to land. And then there's Playbook. So the Playbook is B2B sales. This is a chatbot. Again, we use DigitalOcean just like our last chatbot, Max, that I showed you. So this you can use to understand, like this again, salespeople can use it to know what if they have any question regarding sales and B2B stuff. Workforce Insight. This chatbot is vector powered, and we're using a RAG model here, and Gemini is our primary LLM. So you can use this for the whole client base. So it can go through every call, and it has like transcription data for every client call that we made for every client. And then there's docs. This is to understand this is like the whole documentation of product to understand the overview, how it works, key features, use cases, integration. Back to home, dashboard, settings. Finally, you can use Gemini. We're using Gemini as the primary one, but we can switch to any other model. So we're using OpenRouter to get like all the other LLM models. That's it. Bye bye.